Thomas-Alexandre Dumas Davy de la Pailleterie, also known as Alexander Dumas, 25 March 1762 – 26 February 1806, was a French general in revolutionary France. With Toussaint Louverture and Abram Petrovich Gannibal in Imperial Russia, Thomas-Alexandre Dumas stands as one of the highest-ranking men of African descent ever to lead a European army. He was the first person of color in the French military to become brigadier general, the first to become divisional general, and the first to become general-in-chief of a French army. Dumas and Toussaint Louverture were the two highest-ranking officers of sub-Saharan African descent in the Western world until 1975, when Chappie James achieved the equivalent rank of four-star general in the United States Air Force. Born in Saint-Domingue, Thomas-Alexandre was the son of the Marquis Alexandre Antoine Davy de la Pailleterie, a white French nobleman, and Marie Cosette Dumas, an enslaved woman of African descent. He was born into slavery because of his mother's status, but his father took the boy with him to France in 1776 and had him educated. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.